Is Barbara Dever Boutique a legit place to shop? Or is it just another name on the long list of online scams? Let's break this down so you can shop smarter and safer. First off, I did a deep dive searching for an official website, business info, or even a real address tied to Barbara Dever Boutique. And guess what? There's nothing solid out there. No professional site, no About Us page, and no clear way to contact them. For any legit boutique, that's a huge red flag. Now, here's where it gets sketchy. Tons of online community alerts and social media posts have flagged accounts using the name Barbara Dever. People are reporting payments taken, but no items ever shipped. Some say that after they paid, the boutique just blocked them, poof, like magic. And the kicker? They're constantly popping up with new Facebook or Instagram accounts, making it even harder to track them down. And don't get tripped up by the name. There's a real, reputable store called Barbara & Company based in Denver, Colorado, with a 4.9-star rating and a proper physical address. That's a totally different, trustworthy business. So, what can you do to protect yourself? Always double-check the website's URL. Look for a working phone number, a physical address, and a legit return policy. Before you buy, plug the web address into the Better Business Bureau or Trustpilot for real reviews. And never ever pay via friends and family, PayPal, Zelle, or bank transfer to someone you don't know. Stick with credit cards or protected payment methods so you have backup if something goes wrong. Bottom line, if it looks shady, trust your gut and keep your money safe. Stay smart and happy shopping.